Hi everyone. So this week's visualization is an earthing visualization or a grounding visualization, which basically requires getting outside and getting in a green space wherever you can. It could be a park, it could be a garden, just finding a bit of a green area. Maybe there's some trees, maybe it's a field. We just find some green space and take a blanket with you, or a chair if it's your garden. Have a sit down. And the key thing is to make that connection between yourself and the earth through your skin. So basically, get your bare feet on that ground, whether it be patch of grass, bit of dirt, doesn't really matter, as long as your feet are connected to the ground and you're feeling that deep sort of earthing connection. Because in our modern life, day-to-day life, if you actually think about it, how often do you actually make that connection physically with your body to the ground, your bare skin to the earth? You know, we wake up in our beds, we've got carpeted floors, we put our shoes and socks on, we walk outside onto a man-made driveway or onto a road, get in a car or a bit of transport and then into a building. We very rarely actually have any time with that connection to the earth, and it's really important because the earth is like literally a neutralizing earthing rod for all the built up electricity and charge that our bodies soak up from day to day, especially when we're surrounded by technology, electricity. It all soaks into our body and it can make us feel tired, fatigued. It can give us a fuzzy head and it just kind of knocks us out of sync. So just to spend sort of 10 minutes getting yourself into a green space and making that connection, get those socks off and get those toes in the grass. And I'm doing that right now. I'm outside and just enjoying a bit of rare sunshine today. So when you're ready and you find this space for yourself and you feel safe, so if you're in a public park or something, just find somewhere safe. And you can do this with your eyes open or your eyes shut. I'm going to do it with my eyes closed so I can sort of tune in. But when you're ready, let's begin. So where you're sat, just take a few minutes to relax your body, and we'll do that using our breath. So let's take a nice deep in breath in through the nose and then out through the mouth. A nice long exhale. Do it again. And this time when we do it, just feel our body sink a little bit more into the ground, into our seat or wherever we're sat. Do one more, even deeper this time. Really breathe in, make sure that belly rises up as you breathe in. Okay, let's just take a moment to work out the position of our body. So if we're sat, just where are the position of our hands and make sure it's in a nice comfortable position. And then we're going to tune in. So start off by just opening our eyes a moment if they were closed and having a look around. What can you see around you? Maybe you can see, if you're in a park, maybe you can see people playing, people walking around, maybe trees, maybe there's some water, birds flying by, etc. Checking in with the wildlife. Same in the garden. What can you see? And then what can you hear? What sort of noises I can hear? Lambs bleating in the distance, birds tweeting in the trees, wind in the trees, some distant traffic. Some noisy lambs today. And this is what I call hydrating the senses. It's allowing the outdoor space to be absorbed into you, so that you feel that you're becoming absorbed into it, part of it, being incorporated into it, rather than external from it. And then what can you smell? Maybe there's some freshly mown grass, something on the breeze as it blows through the trees. And then finally, what can you feel? What can you touch? Is the ground cold or warm beneath your feet? Does it tickle? Is it soft? By using your senses, you can really sort of bed yourself in and relax in this moment. Just keep breathing nice and deeply. Nice breath in through the nose now, and out through the nose. And each time feel yourself sinking more and more grounded into the earth. Keep your feet flat on the earth. And when you're ready, for your next inhale, I want you to imagine you're drawing up green, neutralizing, re-energizing energy from the roots, from the ground up. Because in effect you actually are. It passes up through your feet, up through your body, up into your head. That neutralizing effect can bring you clarity, calmness, relax your body. So with the inhale, just imagine you're drawing that green energy up, like roots through your feet, up through your body. Really passing up through your fingers, your toes as well, all the way up your body. And then on your exhale, imagine you're pushing down into the earth any sort of tired energy, any spent energy, any tension, negativity, stress. It's all old energy that you need to disperse into the ground. So imagine with your out breath through your nose, you're breathing it back down through your body and into the earth, where it can be absorbed. Down into the ground. Do that again. Deep breath in through the nose, bringing that green energy up. And imagine it filling you up like a bottle, restoring your energy. And as we breathe out, we're pushing out any remaining negative energy. I'm just going to leave you for a minute now to continue to do this process and really use your imagination to visualize that green energy flowing up through your body and that negative energy going back down into the ground. Get it into a bit of a flow, a bit of a rhythm, like a wave as it crashes onto a beach. It's crashing through you, that green energy, and then it's slowly withdrawing again, taking away with it any of that negative energy. Okay. last few deep breaths. Remember to keep your senses awake and hydrated into the environment as you do this, taking in all those sounds. Breeze on your face, whatever it might be. It allows you to complete the whole circuit with earthing yourself. One last breath. Sometimes in our busy, chaotic lives, it's easy to forget just how important it is to find the simple things, to get out into nature, to find a green space, and just to kick back for 10 minutes and just let the earth do its job, which is to create harmony, to create that sort of natural connection with us that we sometimes feel we're lacking in our modern world. And it helps us find that clarity we often so desperately need. Clears our head out. Last deep breath in. And deep breath out through the mouth. Open your eyes if they were closed. Wiggle your feet. Get back into your day. Recharged with the fresh clarity. And I'll see you next time.